Hello everyone, this is Uday Pratap. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. On the request of my friends, fans and subscribers, today I will be cooking you a vegetarian dish. It's an okra, red pepper and potato dish. You could call it a curry or a stir fry. Thank you for subscribing my channel. Stay safe, eat healthy and look after yourself. So I have here a pot of boiling water. And over here I have about 25 okra. You can see I haven't cut this end and this end over here. I will put that in the water. I will let it boil for about say 2 minutes. I already have a prepared one over here. So after this is done for 2 minutes, this goes over here. This goes, I'm done with the water over here. And I have this over here. And I will now put about 2 tablespoons of oil. I will set the size of onion. I will cut it into half and I'm using half of this. I already have some already cut and I will dump it in this. Stir it and let this onion cook a little bit. Onion is frying over here. What I will do, I already have some pre-cut potatoes. You can cut it in whichever shape, design you want, but I prefer this one, and a slice cut over here so that it does it cooks quickly. Okay, so I'm going to dump this over here. You see, I haven't really cooked up the onion, so I want to cook both of them together. Okay. I want the potatoes to soften up a bit, and then we'll put other ingredients as well. So now see the potatoes are almost halfway done. I have over here ginger about this size, and I have diced the ginger. I haven't mushed it up. There's a reason why. I'm going to dump it in here. And I have about 5 to 6 cloves of garlic. And I also have diced it into small tiny pieces, and I haven't mushed it up. What I feel is that once you mush the or pound the garlic and ginger, and when you put it in the oil and deep fry it or fry it, everything is gone from there. So I wanna taste a little bit of garlic or ginger in my dish. Try it out, maybe you like it, and if you're scared of kissing somebody, I don't think you're a good kisser in that manner. Okay, so that's being done right now. We'll wait just a little bit so that it just gets brown a little bit. So now the ginger and the garlic is browned. So now I'm going to put about just a pinch of it's about half a teaspoon of haldi, turmeric, half a teaspoon of masala, the reason why I didn't put the turmeric and the masala earlier is what I think is when you put it earlier in the meal, the turmeric and the masala will soak up all the oil, and it'll soak up all the oil basically. And I have now in my hand 1 whole capsicum, red pepper. I'm going to dump that inside here. After that, I have my okra. I put that in here. Teaspoon of salt. You can put salt up to your taste. There you have it. Not overcooked, not undercooked, just crunchy and perfect. That's the way it's supposed to eat okra. Enjoy the food. Don't forget to subscribe and like my channel.